Hi, in this video let me show you how to remote start your Nissan Altima 6th generation from 2019 to 2025. So all you have to do, make sure that all the doors are closed. You're going to press twice on the lock button and then you're going to keep press the first button, the one with an arrow. Let me demonstrate. 1, 2, and I'm keeping press this one. And here we go, the car has started. Now you won't be able to turn off the car using the remote. The only way is by using the push button inside of the car. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.